everyone and welcome back to the Posworx training. Today I will be talking to you about transfers. A transfer is used for sending existing stock from one location to another. It gives you the ability to save and edit a transfer until you are ready to send it. Note, you can only transfer stock that is available in a location. I'm now going to show you how to create a transfer. On your home screen, click on Product Control, Transfers, and in this Transfers screen, you are able to see all your transfers. All the transfers that are highlighted in black are waiting for delivery. The ones that are shaded out in gray are receipted in. The ones that are in orange are in packing, and the ones that are in yellow are busy receipting. Click New Transfer. Select a store you are sending this transfer to. Enter in a reference. By default, it's ticked to scan products. You can scan in your products on the search bar here, like this. Or you can manually type in a code here. And select an item. Right click, add to picking list, or you could type description on the search bar here. Search for your item and add it to your picking list. You can edit your quantities that you are sending. Click send on the bottom. A message appears. Are you sure you want to send this transfer? You will not be able to make any changes again. Click yes. Click send again. Are you sure you want to send this transfer now? Note, you will not be able to edit this transfer. It will go straight to the store now. Yes? Here is the transfer that I've just created, which is in waiting for delivery status. And that is how you would create a transfer on Posworx. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.